Welcome to Bayerebon in Ghana. This webcast is about cycling. There are about 20 cars for every 1,000 people in Ghana. More people have cars in the city, but very few in rural areas have cars. Most people move around by bicycle or walking. People who want to travel further take taxi, bus or trotro. Bikes are much cheaper than cars, and you don't have to buy fuel to keep them running. Riding a bicycle is 4 times faster than walking. Now let's see a survey of people who use bicycle in our school. This is the result of the survey. The total number of the people is 400. And number of classrooms we visited is 9. Number of people who went to school is 380. No one comes to school by car. And number of people who come to school by bicycle is 20, which is equal to 5%. In all, out of 400 people, 5% own bicycle. Let's see some bicycle.
I like my bike because it's very faster and stronger. I cycle to exercise my body. It is dangerous and inconvenient. Cycle in Ghana Road.
My bicycle has been with for me about 2 years. My father bought it for me. I use it every day. This is the seat, steer, brakes, and tire. This is the place where bicycles are stored when they are at school. I have Rebecca here. Rebecca is standing near her bicycle. Rebecca, do you cycle to school?
Yes, I cycle to school.
Does that give you more time to do other things?
It helps me to come to school on time to clean the compound.
How long would it take you to school instead?
It will have taken me 2 hours to come to school instead.
You use your bicycle for anything other than coming to school?
I use the bicycle to go to church, market, sometimes for fun.
Now we are going to look at the place where bicycles are fixed in the community.
This is where we fix our bicycle in this community. And the one who fixed the bicycle is called Mr. Adma.
This is parts of bike. Parts of bicycle means different types of bike which have been put together. And there is repair ones and unrepair ones. And this bike is now yet to be repaired.
Now, let's see some of the tools Mr. Admaku used. Hammer. The spinner. And the bicycle pump. And this is how it's used.
Ninka, I'm repairing the brake. I like doing the job. I'm half done for 15 years.
Now, we are going to Kumasi to visit an interesting new company called Bamboo Bike Company. Now, we have arrived at the compound of Bamboo Bike Company. Now, let's go closer to see how bamboo is used to make bicycles. We have arrived at the company. All the bike you are seeing in this video has been imported from other countries. But the bamboo bike is making bicycle in Ghana using local product called bamboo.
My name is Bia, Research and Logistics Manager of Bamboo Bikes Limited. I'm going to take you through the whole production, how the bamboo bicycle is made. This is where the production process starts. We have these trucks to go to the field and harvest the bamboo for us. When it comes, we dump them here. And with this machine, we start selecting and cutting the bamboo to the sizes that are required for the bike. So if you come around here, you see that from this one, he's able to select the sizes that are required for making the bike. These are the tubes. This is the top tube. From here, then we move to the factory floor.
Yeah, as I earlier on said, I'm standing here by introducing one of my colleagues to you. He's one of our film builders who were trained by the Americans. He's very, very good in doing a job. He's Mr. Eric Asante. Mr. Asante, just tell them some few things that you know about bamboo bike and what you do and what goes on here.
Okay, like my manager said, my name is Eric Asante, and I was among the first batch, those who were trained by the Americans. Actually, I'm a frame builder, and we have different kinds of the frames. Actually, we built some for Holland and then the Danish. So I also make the dropouts and the bottom bracket, for building the frames. Yeah, so. Yeah, and actually, I've been here for 2.5 years.
Sure.
I hope you enjoyed learning about cycling in Ghana. See you next time. Bye.